or welcome back to my channel. Y'all, do not kill me. I know I have not did a video in so long. I'm sorry, I apologize. Yeah, I'm sorry. But nonetheless, I'm back today with a new video, and I am going to be being consistent from here on out. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a hair review. This video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. Now, if you aren't familiar with Sogoodhair, they are a virgin hair company. They have wigs. I believe they have bundles. I'm pretty sure they have bundles. They have 613 hair. They have all kind of stuff, all different textures, different origins, all kind of stuff. This hair I have today to show you guys. They were so kind enough to send this over to me. This is a pre-made wig. It is their Brazilian straight 4x4 lace closure wig. It is an 130% density, which is really nice. I really like that. It's not too thin, not too thick, because I don't know about y'all, but when I have short hair, well, long hair too, I don't like super duper thick hair. I like it to be, you know, thick enough, not thin. So like, you know, it still looks like I got more than one bundle in my head, but I don't like hair that's like too thick to the point where like it doesn't look good, it's hard to manage. I don't like that. And with short hair, I want it even thinner. Like 130% density for this short bob is very ideal for me. I wouldn't want anything thicker. This is like the perfect thickness for me. I do not like thick short hair. Yeah, this looks very natural. It's very pretty. I love this. I did title this video as back to school hair because I just felt like it was so ideal for like a back to school hairstyle. Y'all know school about to start back up. Well, you know what, I know it's gonna be different regulations and stuff, but as far as we're concerned, school is starting back up. We're getting into back to school months, and yeah, it's gonna be time to get your hair done. It's gonna be time to do all that kind of stuff. You want to look nice. I know a lot of schools is doing stuff different, but regardless, even if you don't go back to school, you still want to look nice. So there's some hair that y'all need to look into. Oh, I didn't mention the length. They did send me this hair over in 14 inches. It was just Brazilian straight. It was 14 inches. I requested 14 inches because I knew I was gonna cut it into a bob. Honestly, I'm not the best at cutting just yet. I'm still a beginner. I'm still learning different techniques and stuff, and I'm still trying to get the hang of cutting and making it even all the way around. So that's why I requested 14 inches. Right now, honestly, this is probably about a 10, maybe. I think 12. Yeah, 12 will be a little bit longer. So I cut it down to maybe about 10 inches or so. If you know what you're doing and you're more, you know, comfortable with cutting hair and doing like all evens and stuff, if you like a little more advanced at that kind of stuff, you could definitely pass with getting a 12-inch and cutting it like this. Me personally, like I said, I'm just still learning, so I requested a 14 so I could have, you know, like more room to work with. Another thing, you guys, I really don't care typically for 4x4 closures. I always get 5x5 or 6x6, but this is a 4x4 closure, and I still think it looks pretty good, especially with it being just a short, you know, all even bob. Like, it's very natural type. Like, so 4x4, it definitely doesn't bother me with this wig at all. I definitely still like the hair. I think it looks very nice. I think it looks very natural. And if y'all want to see a close-up, this is how my lace looks. I could have fixed my part a little bit better, like towards the back, but don't worry about that. Up here, I didn't want to do like baby hairs and stuff. But my whole point in doing a close-up, I want y'all to see the lace. I didn't tint this lace. I did bleach the knots, but yeah, so all I did was bleach my knots with just regular 30 developer, left it on there for about 15-20 minutes, and it came out like this. So yeah, if you're like my complexion or similar, it's not much you're gonna have to do to this lace. I did do a little bit of plucking in the front, and like I said, that's all I did. I plucked it in the front, I bleached the knots, and yeah, I cut it. So like I said, very low maintenance. Run the flat iron through it. It's naturally straight, so you don't have to do like super duper small pieces. All in all, that is why I definitely feel like this is some great back to school hair. It's simple, low maintenance, not much you're gonna have to do to it. Like I said, maybe flatten out the top, go through it with your flat iron, whatever, fix all that, good. Not much you're even gonna have to do to the lace to prep it if you're doing this yourself. I definitely feel like this is very beginner friendly, so even if you're not very comfortable with wigs and stuff, it's not something that's going to be super duper hard to pull off. All of that, and then it's still cute. Like, you don't look like, you know, you still got you a cute hairstyle. Oh, it's very affordable. That's what I was gonna say. It's very affordable, not a lot of money you're gonna have to spend on this. Gonna last you a good minute, so definitely a good investment. And the best part of all, I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'll have it on the screen. I believe the coupon code is TOP10. If I'm wrong, then I'll have it on the screen. It'll be in the description box, all of that. So yeah. Oh, and the links to this hair and Sogoodhair's website will also be in the description box. So y'all are more than welcome to check that out and see if you find something different you want, or if you want this exact wig. Like I said, all of it will be down there. So y'all are more than welcome to check that out. And yeah, y'all, overall, I just really like this hair. As far as the way that I did it, like the cut and the, you know, the whole overall look of the wig, of course, I'm not professional. I did the very best that I could. I feel like I am getting a little bit better each time with my wigs, but you know, that's neither here nor there. This can be for different occasions, different age groups, different, you know, all kind of stuff. Like I just said, it's very versatile. Can't go wrong with it. Very simple, very cute still, and it's very, like, you know, very what's the word? I don't know the word for it. Like mature, I guess. I don't know. You know, very like grown and sexy-ish type thing. I don't really know. But yeah, y'all, overall, I really like this hair. I definitely recommend it. Make sure you go check out Sogoodhair. All of their stuff will be in my description box, like I said. I know this video was fairly short, but I mean, like, just that's all it really is to it. Like, I definitely recommend the hair. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave a positive comment down below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed, you do that, and you hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you add me on my other socials. I have those on the screen. They'll be in the intro to outro, the description box. You can't miss it. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.
Phone late night like now. She usually say no, but she almost always breaks.